Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Discover the innovative face clamp, a must-have addition to your tool collection that redefines secure yet gentle clamping for your projects. Expertly designed with metal swivel pads, this clamp protects your workpieces by ensuring no marring or damage occurs during use. It offers a robust 3-inch jaw capacity paired with a 3.25-inch throat depth, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks. The clever thumb screw mechanism lets you make quick, precise adjustments so you can fine-tune the grip to suit your exact requirements in seconds. Versatile enough to securely hold materials up to 2 to 3/4 inches thick, the face clamp adapts to various work scenarios. Additionally, its comfort grip handle delivers a reliable clamping force of 300 pounds, combining strength and control for even the most demanding jobs. Built to last, this clamp is engineered for durability without sacrificing ease of use, making it the perfect partner for both amateur and professional craftsmen alike. Elevate your woodworking experience with this impressive 9.5-inch chisel set, expertly crafted for artisans of all skill levels. Forged from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, these chisels offer exceptional hardness, superb wear resistance, and razor-sharp edges designed to last. The beechwood handles, enhanced by a sleek chrome-plated hoop, provide a comfortable yet resilient grip, perfect for use with mallets or hammers, ensuring each cut is both precise and smooth. Pre-lubricated to prevent rust, every blade also features a durable black plastic edge guard for extra protection. With a finely honed 25-degree bevel, this versatile set performs brilliantly on softwoods, hardwoods, and laminated materials, making it an ideal choice for both personal projects and as a thoughtful gift. Precision and durability with this outstanding 9.5-inch chisel set, the perfect companion for both seasoned craftsmen and aspiring woodcarvers. This set includes 4 distinct blade sizes, each expertly forged from high-grade chrome vanadium steel. The result is a tool that offers remarkable hardness, wear resistance, and consistently sharp edges for long-lasting performance. Each chisel is carefully stored in a protective, padded bag that prevents unwanted movement and damage. The gracefully designed beechwood handles, complete with elegant chrome-plated hoops, ensure a comfortable, secure grip even under heavy use with mallets or hammers, enabling smooth and precise carving. Additionally, the blades are pre-lubricated to ward off rust and feature a durable black plastic edge guard for extra protection. With a 25-degree bevel, these chisels excel on softwoods, hardwoods, and laminated materials, making them a versatile addition to any toolbox and an ideal gift for every skill level. Ultimate gift for woodworkers, carpenters, and craftspeople, a meticulously engineered 6-inch Japanese saw blade designed for precision and flawless finishing. After extensive hands-on testing, we determined this size is perfect for making clean, flush, and finish cuts every time. Forged from robust SK5 high-carbon steel, its exceptional durability is further enhanced by Japanese pull saw teeth that are hardened to an impressive HRC 60-63 using advanced high-frequency technology imported directly from Japan. One side boasts 17 TPI for effortlessly slicing through hardwoods, while the reverse, with 14 TPI, is tailored for softwoods, offering versatile performance as both a rip and cross-cut tool. Its innovative 3-sided grinding gear design delivers a razor-sharp edge, rapid chip removal, and an overall smoother cutting experience. Unlock unparalleled efficiency in your construction projects with the award-winning CM Pro Construction Calculator, a must-have tool that solves all your dimensional math quickly and accurately. Tool offers built-in solutions for layouts, plans, bids, and estimates directly in the building units you prefer. It even handles weight per volume and DMS to decimal degree conversions with ease. Save time with smart functions that instantly solve right angles, perfect for square ups, rafters, rake walls, slopes, and angles. Enjoy complete stair layout capabilities and advanced solutions for arcs, arches, circles, and columns. Additionally, the CM Pro helps prevent costly material waste with precise estimations for roofing, drywall, studs, blocks, concrete footings, and board feet lumber, while its compound miter functions ensure accuracy with crown molding and other high-end millwork. Effortlessly tailor the scriber to your project by simply adjusting the tension of the pencil holder and nut to create the perfect shape every time. Once set, it locks firmly in place to guarantee precise accuracy. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy and enhanced with an anodized finish, this tool is designed to withstand regular use while offering an extended lifespan. Its clearly marked scale makes drawing parallel lines and arcs intuitive, streamlining even the most intricate designs. Compact and lightweight, it easily slips into your pocket, and its innovative belt clip ensures you can carry it wherever you go. With over 15 versatile marking applications, including tiling, paving, stud walls, gables, paneling, infill panels, shop fittings, and built-in furniture, this multifunctional scriber is an indispensable asset for any craftsman. Embrace both style and functionality with our chic pink power screwdriver, an ideal choice for women seeking a power tool that truly stands out. Designed with versatility in mind, it features a rotating handle that effortlessly shifts between a straight grip and a pistol grip for optimal comfort and control. Lightweight and cordless, this compact electric screwdriver is perfect for on-the-go DIY projects, ensuring you're ready to work wherever inspiration strikes. A built-in LED light illuminates your workspace, even in low-light conditions, helping you achieve precise results every time. Along with that, recharging is simple and convenient with USB power. Just plug into a power bank, charger, laptop, or any USB-enabled device. Meet the BeamNova Electric Power Miter, a compact yet mighty cutting tool designed for a diverse range of materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and resin. With dimensions of just 10 by 5.5 by 6 inches and a weight of about 1.5 kilograms, it's easy to handle and transport. The built-in angle gauge allows you to adjust cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees and achieve precise results up to 1/2 inch deep, so smooth that filing or sanding may become a thing of the past. Operating at 4,000 to 1,000 revolutions per minute, its robust 2-inch high-speed steel blade cuts through materials swiftly, saving you time compared to manual cutting. For added safety and convenience, a protractor at the bottom helps set accurate angles, while a protective housing covers half of the blade to prevent accidental injuries, and a red limit switch safeguards against misoperation. The base clamping jig firmly secures the saw to your desktop, ensuring stability during every cut. Experience precision and versatility with our innovative drilling guide, designed to master both straight and angled drilling tasks. Whether you're working on the edge of a board or drilling through round stock, this guide effortlessly attaches to any 3/8-inch or a 1/2-inch cordless drill, and even comes with a 3/8-inch capacity chuck with a key for extra stability. Its intuitive angle readout lets you set drilling angles at 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, or 90 degrees with ease, ensuring perfect results every time. The base features centering channels that accommodate round stock up to 3 inches in diameter, making it an essential tool for any project. Crafted for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike, this tool is your partner in completing projects quickly, accurately, and effortlessly. Discover the ultimate bench tool for precision woodworking with our innovative belt and disc sander. Directly driven by the motor shaft, its robust 3/4 HP motor and a disc speed of 3,450 RPM deliver efficient, stable performance every time. An 8-inch disc with a heavy steel cover minimizes vibration for smooth, accurate sanding. A built-in miter gauge and adjustable work table ensure you can fix the angle of your workpiece with ease. With decades of woodworking expertise behind its design, this machine boasts dual work tables for both disc and belt sanding, along with 2 dust ports that work seamlessly with a dust collector for a cleaner work environment. The sturdy cast aluminum base, fitted with rubber feet, further reduces vibrations during operation. Plus, with a design that eliminates the need for belts or gears, you no longer have to worry about adjusting or replacing cog belts. Simply swap out the sanding belt or disc when you want to sharpen metal, and you're ready to tackle your next project. Introducing the Joint Mate, your go-to solution for quickly creating flawless dowel joints on corners, edges, and surfaces. Designed with an adjustable fence for effortless alignment, it ensures that every drill hit is perfectly positioned. Precision is at the heart of this tool, with metal bushings guiding your drill to achieve consistent, accurate dowel placement every time. Its streamlined design means minimal setup, eliminating the clutter of exposed or hidden fasteners, so you can focus on your craft. The Joint Mate is the perfect addition to any woodworking shop seeking efficiency and precision.